Hi,
and welcome to Marc on Sailing.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Marc.
Last time Mark showed us the difference between our course over ground and the course our compass shows. This time he's going to explain the different factors that run into calculating that difference. So, without further ado, handing off to you, Mark.
So, on board we have a magnetic compass, but this magnetic compass is deviated by various effects. The first effect is that our ship has some metal parts which are deviating the compass. But we know our ship, and if we know our ship, we can say on which course how much deviation does occur on the compass. For this reason, every ship should have a deviation table. Here you have a deviation table. The courses going from 0 to 360 degrees, and on each course how much deviation does occur. For example, here at 160 degrees course on the magnetic compass you have 0 degrees deviation, and here the maximum on about 290 degrees on your compass the deviation is about 5 degrees to east. So with that in mind you can apply that on your course calculation, and now you have again a correct course. The second thing that does occur is the problem that the magnetic North Pole is not the same as the geographical North Pole. Let me demonstrate this. So we have our Earth with the geographic North Pole and the geographic South Pole. But in fact the magnetic North Pole is somewhere in North Canada here, and the geographic South Pole is somewhere near to Australia. As you see, because of this, the compass cannot be very accurate, and so you have to apply your magnetic variation. This magnetic variation is in every chart, so there are some numbers, most likely in magenta, but if you find them, you calculate them to your year, because they are normally given for some year 2010, and then the rate of change for each year, and then you can calculate what's the magnetic variation in your year, and then you can apply it in your course calculation, and then you have an accurate charted course and an accurate magnetic compass course. We demonstrated the complete course calculation, but normally when you're sailing with your yacht or something else, you don't have data for the drift angle and for the leeway angle. So you don't need to account this for your course over ground, you just take the true course and plot this in the chart. You can compensate for this with making more cross bearings, and then it's just fine. Anyway, the current is often not so strong that there is some huge difference, and the wind normally also doesn't make a big difference. If you want to see how to calculate the leeway angle and the drift angle, just go to our next video, which is a little bit more advanced.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like, maybe even subscribe, and you can follow us on Facebook, links down in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and as always, fair winds to you.